Hello everyone, welcome to Math is Fun. Our lesson for today is all about defining and illustrating the meaning of ratio and proportion using concrete or pictorial models. What is the ratio of oranges to apples? To know the ratio of oranges to apples, let's count first the number of oranges. 1, 2. We have 2 oranges. Next, we count the number of apples. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 apples. So, the ratio of oranges to apples is 2:3 in words, 2:3 in column form, or 2:3 in fraction form. What is the ratio of apples to oranges? Alright, the ratio of apples to oranges is 3:2 in words, 3:2 in column form, or 3:2 in fraction form. The order in which the ratio is expressed is important. Therefore, the order of the terms in a ratio must correspond to the order of objects being compared. So, what is a ratio? Yes, you are right. Ratio is a comparison of two or more quantities having the same units. What is the ratio of oranges to apples in set A? Let's count how many oranges are there. 1, 2. So there are 2 oranges. How many apples are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 apples. What is the ratio of oranges to apples? Alright, the ratio of oranges to apples is 2:3. What is the ratio of oranges to apples in set B? Okay, let's count the number of oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 oranges. How many apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 apples. So, what is the ratio of oranges to apples? Alright, the ratio of oranges to apples is 4:6. Now observe the number of oranges and apples in set A. Also observe the number of apples and oranges in set B. What do you observe? Yes, you are right. The number of oranges and apples from set A is doubled in set B. Are they equal ratios? Alright, the two ratios from set A and set B are equal. As we double the number of oranges, the number of apples is also doubled. To check equal ratios, we can use a cross multiplication. So, let's multiply. 2 times 6 is equal to 3 times 4. Our 2 times 6 is equal to 3 times 4. So, let's find the product. 2 times 6 is equal to 12. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Therefore, 2:3 and 4:6 are equal ratios. Based on our illustration, when two ratios are equal, a proportion is formed. What is a proportion? Proportion is a statement of equality between two ratios. Each part of a proportion is a term. The first and the last terms are called extremes, while the second and the third terms are called means. In 2:3, as 4:6, 3 and 4 are called the means. 2 and 6 are called the extremes. To know if these two ratios form a proportion, let's find the product of the means, which is 3 times 4, and also the product of the streams, which is 2 times 6. So let's multiply. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. as 2 times 6 is equal to 12. Proportion states that the product of the means equals the product of the streams. In our example, 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Also, 2 times 6 is equal to 12. 12 is equal to 12. Therefore, 2 is to 3 as 4 is to 6 are equal ratios. They form a proportion. Proportion is the equality of two ratios. We can write it through a column form or a fraction form. To sum it all, I hope that you understand our lesson for today. With this, just because something is difficult doesn't mean you shouldn't try. It just means you should try harder. Thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational videos.